One को ना record करता हूँ. Hello students. Okay, this is I'm working on problem practice problem for quiz 9. That is quiz 8. And students requested to make this video for understanding how to go about. Let's see the very practice problem one is use addition and subtraction formula. So addition and subtraction is sine of a plus or minus b or cosine. So we need to use one of these formulas. Uh, so so given cosine of 5 pi by 12. So you're looking up for two angles like this. I'll put a and then plus. So you want to add something here a and b so that they become 5 pi by. So all you think of 5 pi. So there are options. So how can we write 5 pi as so we have two options. One is pi, 1 pi, and 4 pi, and the other option is 2 pi and then 3 pi. Okay, so I think this is a better option. And this 2 and 4, this 2 and 3 divides 12, yeah, the 12 which is there. So we think of this 2 pi and 3 pi and write this as 2 pi by 12 and 3 pi by 12. So the reason is to pick this two is because eventually we don't want the 12 to be there. So this will reduce to cosine of uh, 2 divides 12. So this 2 divides 6 times. So this becomes pi by 6. And this 3 divides uh, 4 times. So we get pi by 4. And then, then you have A and B. So this is A and this is B. So the answer becomes, so we are going to use this one with the plus sign, which is cosine A, cosine B, and then change the sign plus to minus, write sine A and sine B. So this is what we will do. So this will become, this is cosine of the first one, which is pi by 6 times cosine of the second one minus, because of minus, and then sine of pi by 6 and times cosine of pi by, sorry, sine, this is sine again, sine of pi by 4. So this is sine of pi. Now, what is cosine pi by 6? So, cosine pi by 6 is 30 degrees and cosine 30 is root 3 over 2. And cosine pi by 4 is root 2 over 2, which is 45, cosine 45. And then minus sine 30 is half, and sine pi by 4 is root 2 over 2. And you can see this thing can be reduced as root of 3 times 2 is 6 under 1 radical sine 4 minus root 2 over 4, and then the final answer is, yeah, done. But my question is, what if there could be more option instead of 5 pi by 4, or if it was sine of, maybe I can create another problem. This is a and then another one with B, and say, let's see, sine of 17 pi by 12. So if this is the case, okay. So I did one of the method I tried to show this. I showed how to go about is writing 5 as 2 pi and 3 pi. And I'm doing a similar question, can be instead of cosine, I could write sine of 17 pi by 12. Such case, we can always write this as I can pick a 2 pi plus 15 pi, because 2 and 15 add up to 12, and 2 divides 12, and 15 also divides 12. So that's how we can think of this. So, and some of you may say, why only 2 and 15? Why can't it be 1 plus 16? But this one will not divide 12. The 12 will continue. So this won't have 3, and why not 3 and 14? Because Yeah, you could use this 3 pi plus 14 pi, which so that also could be used because this 3 will reduce 12 and 14 and 12 you can see there is a 2 divide. So we can think of this. What about 4 pi and 13 pi? And you can see 13, there's no number that divides 13 and 12, so this option will fail. You can think of 5 pi and 12 pi. This is okay. So you can think any one of this. So you can do this and then separate this. I don't know. Okay, this is 2 pi over 12 plus 15 pi over 12. And then this reduces to pi by 6. And the other one, you can see 3 divides 5 times 15 and 3 divides 12. 4. And now you use the formula sine of sine A plus B. So what is sine of A plus B is sine A cosine B plus cosine A, and so that we'll use. So this is your A and B. So this is A and this is B. So therefore, this will be sine of pi by 6, then cosine of 5 pi by 4, then plus cosine of pi by 6. And the only issue in this kind, when you try to use this one, is you need to see there's a cosine 5 pi by, even the first one is sine 30 degrees, which is half. But what is cosine 5 pi by 4? 45 pi by 4 is the reference angle is pi by 4, so it is root 2, but which quadrant are we talking about is 5. So 5 times means your angle is the terminal side, it is 1 pi by 4, 2 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 4 pi. So that's in the fourth quadrant, cosine is negative. So this has to be negative. Then plus cosine 30 is root 3 over 2. And what about sine pi by 6? Sine means this one. This also is negative in the third quadrant. So this is the cosine and this is the sine. And that's how it is. So this is going to be minus root 2 over 2. Oh, sorry. So this time it is 6. I'm sorry here. This is 5 pi. Where is 5 pi by 6? Oh, 5 pi by 4. What I'm doing? See, I'm tired. So it is minus root 2 over 2. And the rest is just you simplify this, so that become minus root 2 over 4. Then minus root 3 and root 3 is root 6 over 2, which is minus root 2 minus root 6. Sorry, this is 4 and done. But then you could also do this problem in a more easy way. So this time they ask you addition and subtraction, that is combined angle formula. This is combined angle formula. You could use half angle formula. Now what is that half angle identity? Half angle identity is, remember cosine theta by 2 is plus minus square root 1 plus cosine theta. So this is easier to do directly, but they did ask us this question. So if you have this answer cosine basically is plus minus square root of 1 plus, so from theta by 2, then this is theta means kind of double this, so you make this cosine of double of that, so it is 2 times 5 pi by 12. Okay, so this becomes 6, and then of course divide by 2. So but then whether it is plus and minus, and you can see that's 5 pi by 12. So remember pi by 12, all around there will be 24 pi by 12. So it is like, so where is 5 pi by 12? It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is like the first quadrant. Pi by 12 actually is 15 degrees, right? So you want to, it's like 75 degrees. It's like 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, and you're adding, so 75 degrees. So this is 15, and 5 pi by 12 is 75. So basically, it's something like this. So just want to have an idea about the whole unit circle can be split into 24 pieces. Like this, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's one pi. This is one pi. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 23, 24. So that's like, so when you say 5 pi by 2, it means it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the one, 75, which is actually 75 degrees. Okay, now that's the cosine is, so plus in the first quadrant, both are positive. The cosine, so this has to be plus. So I'm going to take this minus off. And then you say, okay, this is plus square root of 1 plus cosine of 5 pi by 6 divided by 2. And what is 5 pi by 6? So 5 pi by 6 is 30. So this is like 30 degrees 5 times. So each of the is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pi by 6 it is. So 6 pi by 6 will be here. So 1 pi by 6, 2 pi by 6, 3 pi by 6, 4 pi by 6, and 5 pi by here. This is the one. So here it is minus and plus. So this is going to be minus. So this cosine, this answer is going to be minus cosine of pi by 6, which is root 3 over 2. And then there is 2, one more 2, and you can use multiply. So all this work has to be done. Okay, and then you'll see keep change flip you can use. So this will be plus square root of 1 minus root 3, 2 minus root 3 divided by 2, keep change flip 1 over 2, because this is 2 over 1. So eventually you get, there are 2 2's in the denominator, and you can write this as 2 minus root 3 over 2, and you're done. So I hope this helps. The first practice problem of quiz 8, and I'm uploading it in the YouTube channels for your reference.